Python. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Training Day. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful world of Python, a programming language that has become a cornerstone in many industries. Specifically, we'll dive into how Python plays a crucial role in the realms of finance and cloud computing. Let's get started. Before we delve into Python's applications, let's talk about why this language has gained such popularity. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python has become a go-to choice for developers worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python's versatility makes it an ideal language for a wide range of projects. Python and finance. Now, let's explore Python's impact in the finance sector. In the fast-paced world of finance, programming plays a vital role, and Python has emerged as a key player. Its extensive use in quantitative analysis, risk management, and algorithmic trading has revolutionized the industry. Popular libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and QuantLib have become indispensable tools for financial professionals leveraging Python for data analysis and modeling. Python and cloud computing. Moving on, let's discuss Python's role in the dynamic field of cloud computing. As businesses migrate to the cloud, automation and efficiency become paramount. Python, with its simplicity and versatility, is a natural fit for cloud-related tasks. Specifically scripts to automate time-consuming processes. Whether you're managing resources, automating workflows, or building cloud applications, Python is a powerful ally. Key libraries like Boto3, Google Cloud Python, and Azure SDK for Python empower developers to seamlessly integrate Python with major cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Case studies and examples. To bring these concepts to life, let's look at a couple of real-world examples. Case Study 1, Python and Finance, Algorithmic Trading. In the finance industry, algorithmic trading has gained significant traction. It involves using computer algorithms to analyze market data, execute trades, and manage risk at speeds far beyond human capabilities. Python, with its powerful libraries, has become a preferred language for developing algorithmic trading strategies. Hedge fund example. Consider a hedge fund looking to optimize its trading strategy. Python, along with libraries like NumPy and Pandas, allow developers to efficiently analyze historical market data, identify patterns, and implement sophisticated trading algorithms. Matplotlib is used to illustrate and chart out findings. Moreover, Python's compatibility with financial data providers and trading platforms simplifies the integration of real-time market data into the algorithms. By leveraging Python for algorithmic trading, the hedge fund can automate trading decisions, execute orders swiftly, and manage risk more effectively. Python's flexibility enables rapid prototyping and iteration of trading strategies, allowing the fund to stay competitive in dynamic financial markets. Case Study 2, Python and Cloud Computing, Infrastructure Automation. In the era of cloud computing, businesses strive to automate their infrastructure management for efficiency and scalability. Python is well suited for this task, offering libraries and frameworks that facilitate automation, resource provisioning, and configuration management. Example. Imagine a tech startup utilizing cloud services to host its web applications. By employing Python and the Boto3 library for AWS, developers can script the provisioning of cloud resources such as EC2 instances, databases, and storage. They can also automate tasks like scaling resources based on demand, handling backups, and configuring security groups. Through Python automation, the startup streamlines its deployment processes, reduces manual errors, and ensures consistent infrastructure across development, testing, and production environments. As the business grows, Python scripts can easily adapt to changes in resource requirements, optimizing costs and maintaining a robust and scalable cloud infrastructure. These case studies provide a glimpse into how Python is applied in specific scenarios within finance and cloud computing. The adaptability and ease of use of Python make it a valuable asset in diverse industries, allowing developers and businesses to tackle complex challenges effectively. Learning resources. If you're inspired to explore Python further for finance or cloud computing, there are plenty of resources available. Whether you prefer online courses, tutorials, or official documentation, the Python community offers a wealth of learning materials. I'll leave some links in the description below for you to check out. As we wrap up, we've seen how Python's simplicity and versatility make it an invaluable tool in finance and cloud computing. Whether you're crunching numbers in the finance world or orchestrating cloud resources, Python has your back. I hope you found this exploration insightful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, Feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy coding!